welcome back all of you. So we are discussing about the electrochemistry. So in the last class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about the what electrochemical cell and their types. Okay. So today we will discuss electrode potential. Electrode potential. Okay. So now to discuss about the electrode potential, let us consider a half cell. So this is the what half cell. So half cell में क्या होगा? This is the what electrolyte. Electrolyte solution. ठीक है? And this is the what electrode. This is the electrode. Okay? So now इसमें क्या हो सकता है? When electricity is passed through the electrolyte cell, then क्या होगा? The electrode can what? Lose electron. Okay? The electrode can lose electron, and then it goes to the what? Electrolyte solution. So क्या हो सकता है? Electrode can lose electron and goes to the what? Electrolyte solution. This can happen when the electricity is what? Passed through the electrolyte solution. ठीक है? So now इसमें क्या होगा? When electrode lose electron and goes to the what? Electrolyte solution, then the electrode becomes negatively charged. Then क्या होगा? The electrode becomes negatively charged. और क्या हो सकता है? और इसमें क्या हो सकता है? The electrolyte. Point number 2 में क्या हो सकता है? Electrolyte gain electron. ठीक है? And deposits in the electrode. So this is also possible. So during this क्या होगा? Electrode is positively charged. During this क्या होगा? The electrode is positively charged. Means what? Electrode has a tendency to what? Either positively charged or what? Negatively charged. ठीक है? So now because of these two, there is a what? There is a what? Potential difference is generated. ठीक है? So because of this tendency to get what? Either positively charged or negatively charged, a potential difference is generated between the what? Electrode and electrolyte solution. Okay? Because of the tendency of either positively charged or negatively charged, a potential difference is generated between the what? Electrode and electrolyte solution. So this potential difference is known as what? Electrode potential. So now what is electrode potential? Electrode potential is the potential difference between the what? Electrode and electrolyte solution. So what you can write? So क्या लिख सकते हो? Electrode potential is the potential difference between the electrode an electrolyte solution. ठीक है. So this is what electrode potential. Okay. So now there is a one more term. There is a one more term that is known as standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. Okay. So now if electrode potential is represented by E, then standard means क्या होगा? E naught. So what is standard electrode potential? It is the electrode potential of the half shell. It is the electrode potential of the half shell when concentration of ions are 1 unit. So concentration of the ions, ion means what? Concentration of the electrolyte, वो कितना होगा? 1 unit, means 1 mole per liter. ठीक है. So after this there is more to term that we have to discuss. What is the first one? What is the first one? That is what? Cell potential. Cell potential. And one is what? EMF, electromotive force. So what is cell potential? It is the PD means what? Potential difference between the two electrodes. So it is the what? Potential difference between the two electrodes. Means क्या होगा? E cell means what? Cell potential. So cell potential is equal to electrode means what? Cathode and anode. So क्या होगा? E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. So E cathode minus what? E anode. ठीक है. So now let us consider a reaction. So reaction क्या है? Zinc plus what? Copper 2 positive gives what? Zn2 positive plus copper. ठीक है. So इसमें कैथोड क्या होगा? For this reaction कैथोड क्या होगा? Copper 2 positive oblique copper. Anode क्या होगा? Zinc oblique Zn2 positive. So means what? E cathode means what? E copper 2 positive oblique copper. ठीक है. Minus anode means what? Zn oblique Zn2 positive. Okay? Or you can write. अभी देखो जो सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन था, सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में कैथोड इज ऑलवेज सिटेड इन व्हाट? लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड. सो सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या था? जिंक Zn2 पॉजिटिव. ठीक है. सॉल्ब्रिज कॉपर 2 पॉजिटिव ऑब्लिक कॉपर. सो दिस इज आवर एनोड. एनोड कहाँ में लिखा गया है? दैट इज व्हाट? लेफ्ट. कैथोड इज सिटेड इन व्हाट? राइट साइड. So that is why you can write E copper 2 positive oblique copper means what? ER means E right minus E left. ठीक है. This is the what? Cell potential of a electrochemical cell. So after this there is one more definition. This is the definition. यहाँ से क्या आ सकता है? मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम आएगा. We'll discuss later. So what is the last definition? वो definition क्या है? EMF. means what? Electromotive force. ठीक है, वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम है सेल पोटेंशियल के साथ. So what is electromotive force? Electromotive force is the what? Cell potential of an electrochemical cell when no current is drawn from the what? Electrochemical cell. Means क्या होगा? It is almost same with the what? Cell potential. जब क्या होगा? Electrochemical cell से current pass नहीं होगा. ठीक है? So it is the cell potential when no current is drawn to the cell. अब सेल में क्या होगा? करंट पास नहीं होगा. Then cell potential is known as what? EMF, electromotive force. So this is all about what? Electrode potential, standard electrode potential, cell potential, and what? Electromotive force. ठीक है? So after this, we have to discuss SHE. Means what? Standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. ठीक है? So SHE means what? Standard hydrogen electrode. So now to discuss about the what? Standard hydrogen electrode, let us consider the cell. ठीक है? Say this is our half cell. इसमें क्या होगा? Say this is the what? Electrolyte. So the electrolyte is what? HCl. अभी देखो ये स्टैंडर्ड है. अगर स्टैंडर्ड होगा मीन्स व्हाट? concentration of all the ions should be what? 1 unit. मीन्स क्या होगा? जो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड था that is the what? electrolyte. So इसका concentration क्या होगा? 1 molar. 1 molar HCl. ठीक है? अगेन इसमें क्या है? There is a what? A test tube like chamber. A test tube like chamber is deep in the what? Electrolyte. So इसके अंदर में क्या है? There is a what? Platinum electrode. This is what? Platinum electrode. This is platinum electrode. Okay, and through this side hydrogen gas is what? Passed. अभी देखो this is what? electrolyte का concentration कितना है? 1 molar. So जो हाइड्रोजन गैस होगा it will be what? 1 bar. ठीक है? So standard hydrogen electrode is consist of what? 1 molar HCl, that is act as a what? Electrolyte. Okay, and platinum metal is what? Dipped in the electrolyte, and hydrogen gas is passed to the what? Electrolyte solution. Okay, so now what will be the reaction? इसका reaction क्या होगा? The reaction in standard hydrogen electrode. So HCl means what? That is H positive. ठीक है? So H positive takes electron, then it will give what? Hydrogen gas. और बैलेंस है क्या? अगर नहीं होगा means what? You can put here half और 2 से हम multiply कर सकते हैं. So this is the what? Redox reaction for standard hydrogen electrode. ठीक है? And so let us discuss the cell representation of what? Standard hydrogen electrode. So what is the metal? That is what? Platinum. ठीक है? That is what? Solid. So what is the gas here? Hydrogen. उसका pressure कितना होगा? 1 bar. And what is the electrolyte? That is what? It's positive. That is what? 1 molar. And always remember the cell potential of standard hydrogen electrode. That is what? 0. ठीक है? So uses क्या होगा? Uses of what? Standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode is used to find out the standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential of a cell. ठीक है? So we'll discuss this by taking a what? Example. So now what is the first example? Zinc oblique Zn2 positive. This is our first cell, half cell. Solbrates, platinum, hydrogen, H positive. So इसमें क्या होगा? Zinc, that is in our left side. So ये क्या होगा? Anode होगा, and this is what? Cathode. Okay. So क्या होगा? E naught cell is equal to what? E naught. So cathode means what? H2 oblique H positive minus. So E naught anode. Anode means what? Zinc oblique what? Zn2 positive. So standard electrode potential of what? Zinc. It has some value. Or standard value है. It cannot be changed. So there is a table known as what? Electrochemical series. ठीक है? So what is the value of इसका वैल्यू कितना है? -0.76. I will give it later. और कॉपर का कितना है? 0.34 यूनिट इज वोल्ट. सो इसमें क्या होगा? इसका 0 है. So 0 minus what? So ये प्लस है, ये माइनस है. ठीक है? So 0.76. ओके? देन क्या होगा? -0.76. ठीक है? And in the second example में क्या होगा? Platinum, hydrogen, H positive. ठीक है? Solbrates क्या होगा? कॉपर 2 पॉजिटिव ऑब्लिक कॉपर. सो इसमें क्या होगा? E naught cell is equal to what? E naught copper 2 positive oblique copper. Okay? Minus E naught H2 oblique H positive. So 0.34 minus 0. That is what? 0.34 volt. So in this way you can find out the what? Standard value of cell potential of a what? Electrochemical cell. So in this reaction क्या होगा? This acts as a what? Anode. And this is the what? Cathode. That is what? standard hydrogen electrode can act as a what? Both anode and act as a what? Cathode. So in the next class we'll discuss about Nernst equation and I'll give the value of this one. Okay? So thank you.